What is cash value life insurance and why is it so impressive? Cash value life insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that comes with an investment feature. In most cases, cash value life insurance means looking at an IUL or Index Universal Life. Practically all of our clients are using the IUL as an investment alternative. Here are 3 impressive features as to why you should consider one for yourself. But stick around to the end because I also touch on a couple features as to why they're not a good fit for everybody. So the very first feature we're going to talk about is your policy earns interest at no risk to you. It's based on an index that you choose, kind of like the S&P 500, for example. Access to your cash is typically available within a couple weeks after funding the policy. You have upside performance without risk due to market decline. So when the market goes up, you make money. And when it declines, it's 100% protected. Everything about these policies is geared around design. They have to be designed correctly. We design ours specifically to give you the lowest death benefit possible so that your cash value upside potential is maximized. While you can only put $6,000 per year in an IRA, you can put tens of thousands of dollars per year in a cash value policy. If you wanted to base returns off of historical performance, you could comfortably expect 7 to 10% average annual returns over the long haul, depending on what policy options you choose. Okay, so now that you know how the cash value works inside the policy, let's talk about feature or benefit number 2. All of the money growing inside your policy comes to you 100% tax-free. Because life policies are funded with after-tax dollars, all of the growth comes to you tax-free. But let me illustrate the power of this. If you wanted to get $75,000 of spendable income 1 year during retirement, you'd have to withdraw $98,684 out of your taxable account, assuming you're paying 24% in taxes. And then you'd have to give $23,684 to Uncle Sam. You don't have that problem with cash value life insurance. So you grow your money with no risk. You access money from the policy 100% tax-free. The third impressive feature is that when you access cash from your policy, say for another investment opportunity, the money inside your policy continues to grow with compound interest uninterrupted. Now, there are loan rates that you'll have to pay based on the type of loan you choose, but the average loan rates are less than the average return rates, making this a positive arbitrage situation for you. Does this make sense? You can use the same dollar at the same time for 2 different objectives. While it's growing inside your policy, you can use it for other things, other investment opportunities like Bitcoin, the stock market, real estate, whatever you choose. So there you have a handsome list of reasons why you might consider or strongly consider an IUL or Index Universal Life policy. But here are a couple reasons as to why this type of policy may not be a good fit for you. The first reason would be if you need to access immediate income from the policy. I'm not talking about the cash that you are going to use for other things. I'm talking about true income taken from the policy. You really want to leave 7 to 10 years to let this policy grow with compound interest before it really becomes worth it. For example, if your goal is to retire when you're 65, you'd really want to be probably less than 57, 58 years old before investing in something like this and wanting to take income for retirement purposes. And number 2, you need to be fairly healthy and not obese to qualify for life insurance. Regarding weight, to give you an idea, if you are 5'9", male or female, it doesn't matter, you'd need to weigh less than 218 pounds and not use tobacco to qualify for preferred rates. The minimum contribution to do something like this is roughly 10 times your age. If you're 50 years old, you'd want to plan on at least $500 a month. You can put significantly more into the policy, including an upfront lump sum. But 10 times your age is a pretty comfortable minimum. By the way, I don't work for a specific carrier or insurance company. This enables me to shop all of the top-rated companies to find you the best results. Hey guys, this was a lot of information. I hope you found it helpful and it answered some of your questions. If you'd like to have a complimentary call and get your hands on a detailed illustration using your numbers, click on the link to see if there's an open spot on my calendar. Otherwise, list your comments and questions below and I'll be happy to answer them that way. If you like this video, hey, give it a thumbs up and check out some of our other financial videos. I appreciate you and may God bless you. My name is Rich Strell. Follow me.